unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
If your LG TV won't turn on, start by checking the power source and ensuring the outlet is working. Try unplugging the TV for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. If the standby light is on, use the power button on the TV instead of the remote. If these steps fail, consider contacting LG support for further assistance.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.